Hello everyone, Dr. Matt Bizzell here with another common mistakes video. This one we're going to be talking about creating a new chapter or section. There are a couple things that go into this, so I'm going to try to make this brief, but let's dive right in. First thing you want to do when making a new chapter or section is turn on your paragraph options button so we can see here what all goes into a section. Obviously we have a much smaller truncated section here because it's still just part of the template. But you'll see there's a page break at the end, and we have a formatted heading, which, as we know from a different video, comes from the styles pane. Okay, so I think the easiest way to do this, wherever you want your new chapter to go, see my cursor has gone as far left as it can in this sense here. Hit the return key, and you've created a new section heading here. And if it's distracting, you can turn that off just to kind of see the difference here. And say this is chapter 3, however you're doing it, right? 3. And then the next thing, turn this button back on and we can see, is you need a page break here so that we know that this has its own distinct section. So go to Insert, Page Break, and now these two are separated as different chapters. The final thing you need to do is run up to the table of contents and update your field, update the entire table, and you'll see our chapter 3 has now been populated. Okay. Of course, this titling is not the way you do it. I was just trying to write something quickly without being too descriptive. Okay, and the page number is updated as well. You can also do, if you scroll, find our spot again here, is just make sure under our styles pane that we are in heading 2, right, one with numbers. If you're using unnumbered headings, you can use heading 1, in which case you would have chapter 3 written out like that. Of course, you'd have to make that consistent with the rest of your document. So establish your choice and then make sure you're consistent with it and pick heading 1 or heading 2 as required. So we'll just say chapter another here just to reduce confusion. And again, any changes that you make, run on back up to your table of contents, update the field, and now everything is working. So fairly simple. As always, use your style pane, very helpful. And then working within the existing formatting, right? When I used an existing section to create a new section, what you're doing is helping yourself out by getting yourself close. So it's really not that difficult, provided you use your page break and styles pane. Okay, that'll do it for this one.